When I was trying to install this pytest, which is unit testing framework in Python, using this command pip install pytest, I was getting this error saying that cannot uninstall 6, and it was blocking my installation of pytest. So to fix this issue, what I did is I executed this command sudo pip install pytest, and here I said ignore installed and then package name. So if you face similar kind of issue where it says that cannot uninstall a specific module or package, you can ignore that package using this flag ignore installed. Here I have specified 6 because 6 was not getting uninstalled. And with this command, what happened is I was able to install pytest on my machine without any issues. I hope this helps in resolution of your issues as well. Thanks for watching this video.